Okay. Now, fine. Yesterday we started our discussion. Okay, not yesterday, day before yesterday. We discussed about what is React.js. Yes, and so what are the features we have in React.js? So these concepts we have discussed. Okay. So just a small brush up. So React.js is nothing but JavaScript. Okay. Library. So React.js is a JavaScript library. So React.js we are using to implement JavaScript related functionalities. Okay. Actually, it is a client side script. So websites, if you observe here, two types of scriptings we are using for the coding point of view. So just first one is client side script. Okay. Yes. So second one is server side script. Like that, we have these two types of scriptings in website. So what is the first one? Client side script. And second one is server side script. Any website, if you take Gmail or Facebook or any other website, so we have these two types of scriptings here. So client side and server side. So client side means what is that? The script which executes in browser. And server side script, what is that? Which executes in web server. Yes. Like that, we have these two types of scriptings here. The first one is client side and second one is server side script. Yes. So client side script executes in browser and server side script executes in web server. That is the concept of this. Okay. Now, see, already I shared you. Okay. Why we are in the client side scripts, which type of logics we can implement the client side scripts. So those points already we discussed. So in validations point of view, next one to work with the Ajax concepts. Okay. To work with the Ajax concept and to handle the HTML controls like that. So in many locations, okay, we are taking the support of these client-side technologies. Okay. So in a website, around 65 to 70% coding is client-side coding only. Take any website. So around we are implementing 60 to 70% coding with client side. Okay, so to work with the client side logics, okay, to implement the client side logics, what are the technologies we are using here? JavaScript and next level technologies of JavaScript like React.js, AngularJS, like yes, JavaScript and React.js, AngularJS, like that. These are the technologies which we are using to work with the client-side scripting languages. Okay, yes. Now, second one is server-side scripting languages. Okay, to work with the server-side scripting languages, we are using PHP, ASP, JSP, etc. So, if you take any website, every website, we have two types of scriptings. First one is client-side script, and second one is server-side script. So, client-side script executes in browser, and server-side script executes in web server. Yes, that is the concept of this. Okay. Yeah. So here, server-side technology is the main purpose to connect with the database of website and to create the sessions, etc. In the point of they are using server-side technologies. But here, as a UI developer, okay, we are working with the client-side functionalities. So that too, by using React.js, we are implementing this client-side functionalities. So what are the client-side functionalities we are implementing? Everything we discussed. If anybody missed the last two classes, you should take the okay. So drive access. Okay, that you can go to that Google, YouTube channel, DURGASOFT YouTube channel. Okay, so there they uploaded this last two classes. You can go through them. Even if you don't follow those things, no issue because the same concepts will repeat again. So before starting the programming in React.js. Okay, now here React.js implemented by Mr. Jordan Walkie in the year 2013. So primary version is released in 2011. Later, 2013, they released this React.js. Okay. Yes. Jordan Walker implemented. Okay. He is one of the Facebook employee. Okay. To work with the chart concept of Facebook implemented this one. Yes, to work with the charting concept of Facebook, we are using this. So that is the concept of this one. Okay. Yes. So it is maintaining by Facebook Corporation. Okay. So React is maintaining by Facebook Corporation. So that is the meaning. Okay. Next one here. What are the features we have already discussed with you? React supports data binding, single page application. So those points already shared with you. Okay. So I will discuss the programs on these features. But before that, we plan to start JavaScript. Because here, to work with the React.js, JavaScript is very, very important for us. The prerequisite is to work with this React.js is JavaScript. Sorry. So we should have the idea on this, complete idea on this JavaScript. Is it clear? Yes. Because React is a library of JavaScript. Yes. Okay. So that's why here we are using the functionalities of React.js inside the JavaScript coding. That is the concept of this. First of all, what is JavaScript? JavaScript is client-side script implemented by. So here, Netscape Corporation. Actually, here, Netscape Corporation implemented the JavaScript. In this Netscape Corporation, Mr. Each is there. So with the lead of that person, the team members implemented the JavaScript. So without knowledge on JavaScript, we can't work with the React.js. Okay. And here in the year 1995. Yes. When they implemented this, the year 1995. Okay. Now, so original name of JavaScript is LiveScript. Suffering from cough today. Okay. Yes. So initial name was LiveScript. Later, Sun Microsystem adopted this LiveScript and they renamed it as JavaScript. Is this clear? So that is the concept of this. So Sun Microsystem adopted this LiveScript and renamed it JavaScript. Now, JavaScript is cross-browser. Yes. So it is cross-browser. So every browser internally contains an engine. Every browser internally contains an engine to work with the JavaScript. Yes. Yeah. It is cross-browser technology. Okay. Next. JavaScript. Okay. Yeah. Supports many functions to work with client-side scripts. Yes. So client-side logics, whatever it may be, many functions are there. So what are the functions we have? Those we will discuss. These functions we are also using in react.js. Remember that. Okay. Yes. So these are the functions which we are using in JavaScript. Same functions we are using in React. Additionally, React is providing some more features. Next one here, JavaScript as well as React are case sensitive. Yes. So these technologies are case sensitive technologies. Is it clear? Yes. So JavaScript and React, these are case sensitive. So it means what are the cases we are using to work with this? Same cases we need to follow. That is the concept of it. Okay. Yes. So we need to take care about the capital as well as small cases. Otherwise, gives the error message. Okay. Next one, JavaScript as well as React. Loosely typed scripts. Yes. So these technologies comes under loosely typed scripts. So what is the meaning of loosely typed script? These technologies not providing data types. Okay, we don't have any data types. That is the concept of loosely typed script. So generally, if you take any technologies like C, C++, etc., at the time of sorry, variable declarations, we are using the data types like int, string, etc. If you know any other technology, then you will get the clarity. Okay, at the time of variable declaration, we are using these data types. But in JavaScript, we are not providing any data types. For example, one program, desktop, just demo 3.html are given. Now, variables we are creating in our application to store some data. For example, serial number is one variable and values 100 I have given. Now, I want to print this in JavaScript. Alert is the function to print the output. Alert serial number I have given. Now, what the file we have? This is demo3.html. Let me open this. So somewhere it is created in my desktop. Now you can see this demo3.html. Now right click on this and open with browser. Now it displays the output. Okay. So like this 100 is there. Same variable you want to place in C, C++ or other technologies. We are using data types like int, string, boolean. You like that. But in JavaScript, those are errors. Now refresh. So that is error. You want to see the error, right click, inspect, console. Now you can see unexpected identify serial number. Yes, like that we have this. Okay. Yes. So, but if you see any examples in websites, we are using where keyword to create the variables. Yes. So where keyword we are using here. So what is where? Where or let we are using? So don't feel these are data types. So where and let are not data types. These are access scopes. Okay. So what is that where and let? I will discuss later. Okay. So anyhow, we are not providing the data types at the time of variable declarations. So that concept we are calling as loosely typed script. Is it clear? So both technologies, not only JavaScript, React also same like. Okay. Yes. Next point here. JavaScript and React dynamic scripts. Yes. So these technologies are dynamic scripts. What is dynamic script? Sorry. So based on the value we assign to a variable, it holds that data type internally. For example, in this program, we stored 100. Then what the type of this variable? Number. So if I store any string, that is string. For example here, type of I'm printing. If I refresh it, you can see number is there. So explicitly we are not providing any data types, but internally every variable contains data type based on the value we assign. Okay. Yes. That concept we are calling as dynamic script or dynamic typed script. Okay. Next. JavaScript is interpreted script and React is compiler script. So here the difference is there. Now, if you take JavaScript is interpreted script. So here interpreted means line execution is there. Okay. So compiler script, all lines it executes at a time. Interpreted is not like that. For example, you have written 100 lines of code. Then each and every line it executes. In case if find any error in a specific line, if it is finding any error, it stop the execution there. Okay. Yes. So that is the concept of interpreted script. Means at a time, we cannot see the multiple errors. But in compiler script, if you observe here, we can see the multiple errors at a time. So that is the difference here. See, in this program, just for example, alert Scott and alert Amit they have given. Now, if I refresh, now you're getting that output Scott as well as Amit. Now, these two lines I'm just giving mistake. Here I have given this mistake. Here I have given this mistake. Now, if I refresh here, so first it displays ALER is not defined. That message we are getting there. Okay, but it is not showing the second one. If I use this alert, then refresh. Now, first that line executed. Now it is showing that second error. Means we can't see the all errors in a single shot. That is problem with JavaScript. To avoid this problem in React, they provided interpreter for us. Is it clear? Yes. That's the concept. Sorry, compiler, not interpreter. Babel compiler they provided. So what the benefit of this compiler? So all errors we can see at a time and compare with the interpreter programming. The compiler is very fast. So that is the main benefit of this. You got it? Yes. So this is about the concept of this. Yes. Yeah. So like that, these are the basic points what we have, okay, related to this JavaScript. Okay. Now, how to run the JavaScript program and what are the data types we have in JavaScript. So those concepts we'll discuss. So I told you externally we are not providing any data types, but internally every variable contains data type based on the value. Based on the value means what the value is assigned based on that value, every variable internally contains data types. So how many types of data types we have? Okay, we are starting our discussion with that concept. Okay, so what are the things we are discussing JavaScript? So those are very, very important. Okay, and in last class we discussed the basic information about what is React and what are the features we have in React. So I did not start anything about React, any programming, because first we need to cover the JavaScript concepts. Yes. Once we cover the JavaScript concept, then only we can discuss the React programs. That is the main point. Yes. So these points you clear? Yes. So any questions you want to ask related to this? Okay. So I think today, just yeah. So one person, new person joined. Okay. So just go through the videos. Okay. There we discuss the concepts like what is React, everything. So if you open the DurgaSoft YouTube channel, there the videos are available. Otherwise, no issue. After JavaScript, again we will start the concepts. Okay, react.js concept. That time again I will give you the introduction. Okay. Yeah. From yesterday evening onwards, I'm suffering from cough. Okay. Anyhow, today I don't want to give the break for this. That's why I've taken. Okay. But my throat is not allowing to speak. Okay. That's why for today, I'm switching out the session. Okay. Tomorrow, I will start the programming with this JavaScript. Is it clear? Yes. Any other questions you have before closing the session? No queries. Okay. I think 1 second. Someone is trying to speak with me. Yeah. Tell me. So, anybody wants to speak? Ishwaraj. No. Fine. So, tomorrow I will continue due to my throat issue. I'm unable to continue. So, you can drop for today. Thank you.